everyone, I'm Sandeep Ranjan. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn about how to create seamless print patterns on Adobe Illustrator. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel so that you can keep on learning. So first of all, we will create a new page, and for creating a new page we will go to File and we'll click on New, and after clicking on New we will get this type of dialog box, and all the settings will remain same. We can change the orientation mode, so I will go with the landscape mode, and here is my new page. So first of all, I have to create some sort of design. So for that I will be using some tools. So for example, let's create some design. And after this we'll add into the swatches. Okay, so now let's just spread this particular design on this artboard. So for that we'll create one sort of big rectangle of the page size, and then we'll fill it with the same our pattern. This is first, second, think this will be fine. Okay, so now if suppose I have to change the design, I can change the design from here. Alright, so now let's create some sort of effect. So I will apply some sort of gradient effect on this. To give some 3D effect. So we have to adjust the white balance from here completely. Yeah, now it is almost done, and then we'll go to transparency. transparency. We'll select here multiply, and then we'll just little bit reduce the transparency. Okay, so similar way we'll apply gradient in all the parts. I'll just adjust the size of the page. Okay, that's all. So now let's add some more effect on this.